Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of buying property in Panama City. This bustling metropolis, a gateway between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, offers a vibrant real estate market with a diverse range of properties. From high-rise condos to beachfront villas, the city provides an array of options for investors, retirees, and expats. This guide will help you understand the key factors to consider when investing in Panama City's real estate market. Panama City's real estate market is characterized by its diversity, affordability, and potential for high returns. The city boasts modern infrastructure, a stable economy, and a strategic geographical location. Additionally, it's known for its welcoming policies towards foreign investors with no restrictions on property ownership. Furthermore, Panama uses the US dollar, which eliminates currency exchange risks. Lastly, Panama's pensionado program offers attractive benefits for retirees, including property tax exemptions. Pricing in Panama City's real estate market is highly dependent on the property type and location. High-end condos in upscale neighborhoods like Punta Pacifica can range from $250,000 to over $1 million. More affordable options can be found in neighborhoods like El Cangrejo, where prices start around $100,000. Also, it's worth noting that property taxes are relatively low, and properties valued under $120,000 are exempt from property tax. Buying property in Panama City is ideal for a variety of scenarios. For investors, the city's strong rental market offers potential for steady cash flow and capital appreciation. For retirees, Panama's pensionado program, combined with the city's high quality of life, makes it an attractive destination for expats. Owning property can provide a sense of stability and the opportunity to enjoy Panama City's cosmopolitan lifestyle. And for those seeking a vacation home, the city's beautiful beaches and vibrant culture are hard to beat. There are many advantages to buying property in Panama City. The city's strong economy and political stability provide a solid foundation for property investments. The diverse real estate market caters to a wide range of budgets and preferences. Plus, the use of US dollar eliminates currency risk. The city's strategic location and international connectivity also mean it's easy to travel to and from. Lastly, the welcoming attitude towards foreigners makes the buying process relatively straightforward. Despite the many advantages, there are also some limitations to consider. The real estate market can be volatile and affected by global economic trends. It's also worth noting that while property prices are generally affordable, the cost of living in Panama City can be high compared to other Latin American cities. Moreover, while the buying process is relatively straightforward, it can still be bureaucratic and time-consuming. Finally, language can be a barrier, as not everyone speaks English. To summarize, Panama City offers a diverse and potentially lucrative real estate market. Key factors to consider include the type of property, location, and your specific use case. The city's strong economy, welcoming policies, and attractive benefits for retirees are significant advantages. However, potential challenges include market volatility, cost of living, and language barriers. As with any investment, it's important to do thorough research and consider seeking professional advice. Thank you for joining us for this comprehensive analysis of buying property in Panama City. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. If you found our content helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real estate investment tips. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.